Welcome to the hot glue gun challenge. Our goal is to glue this piece of wood to this piece of cardboard using this homemade hot glue gun. Hello! I was up pretty late last night going on a big old life hack binge watching session. Oh my god, nothing gets my blood boiling more than a good life hack video. Well, a bad life hack video. I think I could just be jealous of the views. I mean, how can something so bad perform so well? Today we're gonna try one. Oh, and thank you Kristen, William, and Weasley for this delightful cat shirt. Here's a picture of Weasley. Oh, and the other two, but Weasley's the cat. The life hack in question is how to make an electric hot glue gun at home DIY. There's a warning. My videos are provided only for entertainment and watching purposes only. Please don't try to do what I do in my videos. You know, he has this literal 2-second disclaimer. It's 1 second. It's a 1-second disclaimer telling you not to do this, but he makes it look like you absolutely should do this. What do we need to build this disaster? Tin can, like a soda can. That's gonna be the container that melts the hot glue. This is where it gets good. What is that? Is it like steel, like wrapping wire? It does not look like nichrome wire, it just looks like tie wire. This is all like fine and dandy until he ends up soldering it to a mains power plug. I mean, look at this thing. What is that gonna do other than catch on fire? 2.3 million views. I feel like no one's actually tried it. Do people actually try life hacks? No, I hope they don't, because they're stupid. And half of them aren't even life hacks. This is a life hazard. He never actually plugs it in. You see him plug it into a power strip, and then the power strip kind of gets plugged in, and then the wires go off the screen. Like, there is no way he'd plug this into the wall, because I can tell you exactly what would happen when he plugged it into the wall. No. We're gonna show you. We're gonna show you exactly what happens when you plug this thing into the wall. Also, we're gonna have to cut cardboard by hand because we don't have a laser. We got cardboard, we got wire. Oh no, I sent the cat butts flying. Hot glue, a pen, and a knife, and instructions right here. Did we start with the cardboard first? But oh, look at all this cardboard. I'm slowly collecting. I kept all my cardboard under the couch. It was a lot of cardboard. I wonder how that looked on fire. What if I drew it right now and we do a montage that looks like this with the same kind of music they use? So look, we knocked it out, but I put it back in, but I put it back into the wrong spot. You see it doesn't line up, but now we're gonna film it being pushed out. I really hate that overhead life hack angle. It just is like, I don't know, man. Maybe I complain too much. Oh God, there's more pieces to cut. Do you know how long this took? We're using hot glue. Nope, I'm not gonna use Elmer's glue. Do you know how long that stuff takes to dry? I'm gonna peel this Amazon tape off though. He's rolling the tin foil up backwards. Shut up, refrigerator. How do we turn that off when our food goes bad? Do you think it matters if the label's out? He shows the label being in, but now I feel like people are gonna be like, well, you did it backwards, that's why it caught on fire. And I'll be like, no, it's because you pumped like 300 watts into it. What am I doing? This is so stupid. This is the part I am definitely the most excited about. It is wrapping the heating element. I think he's using something exactly the same as this. And he does how many turns? He's also using bigger glue sticks, so I'm not sure how much we're skewing the results, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You know what, let's do some science right now. If we have 7 turns of that steel wire, this much measures, oh God, 0.6 ohms. So the root mean square of your power is 120. Power is related to voltage and current, but since your voltage is changing, you can't just say what your house power is times your current. You find the root mean square, which is like the equivalent DC voltage of your AC power, and that turns into 120. So your AC power is actually, I think it peaks at like 170 something volts. So we call 120 divided by 0.6 is 24 kilowatts. Is that right? I do numbers wrong sometimes, but I think that might actually be right. This thing's literally gonna blow the break. No, it's not. It's gonna melt. Oh, dude, I am so excited to plug this into the wall. Let's go ahead and add some more wire just in case, because we want to increase the resistance as much as possible. My plan right now to wrap the wire around is to stick the hot glue stick in and then cinch the zip tie around it and then wrap the steel. He's got like this massive looking cone thing going on. I'm not digging it. Wasn't the whole point to just replicate it as closely as possible? So maybe I'm just dumb. The life hack, life doesn't choose you. No, it does. You don't choose it. Wow, I've butchered that. I don't really know what I'm doing. I think that's sort of been apparent this whole time. Let's just get reckless. Okay, that may have been too reckless. Let's throw this thing together and then come back when we're ready to plug it in. Good transition, William. Oh, did I put that on backwards? All right, we're gonna tape this bad boy on. It pulls it out. Why are we even trying? This thing is literally about 5 minutes away from being engulfed in flames. I say that we'll just pretend like it's gonna work, plug it in, and see what happens. So we ran down to the store to buy some instruments. Ding, 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 ding. Maybe we shouldn't plug this in the motorhome. Let's plug it in out there. I already had one house burned down. I don't wanna have two houses burned down. Oh, thank you. Welcome to the hot glue gun challenge. Our goal is to glue this piece of wood to this piece of cardboard using this homemade hot glue gun by following a life hack tutorial, which I'm 90% sure this thing is immediately catching on fire. We got a current meter, a clamp current meter, and a temperature sensor, and I think we just plug this bad boy in. Oh God, you ready? You got audio? You can hear me? This thing is going to straight up. Oh wow.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks, life hacks. Wow, that just completely melted. So I'm about to do a big no-no and have some, what I like to call exposed mains. Okay, everyone put your glasses on. This is just a horrible example of safety. All right, today we're learning how to weld. Ah! Close your eyes.
What is that on the end that glows like that?
Oh, that's just some steel wire being pumped full of like thousands of watts. We've been kicked out of the motorhome, I think rightfully so. More sparks. That's dangerous. All right, here we go. We're going live again. Show me what you got. I think we're basically just playing with mains voltage at this point, which is probably a very bad example to set. Overload? How many amps is that? I can't believe someone put instructions on the internet that basically show you how to burn your house or motorhome or whatever you're currently living in down. I wonder if he was on 220 too. Does that plug 220? If that plugs 220, that's even worse than this. We're not linking you to the original video because it's basically instructions and he hides, how could you not plug it in? And once you did plug the thing in, how could you still post a video? Thank you, life hacks, for, I don't know, being horribly irresponsible. It says it's for entertainment purposes only, but like, come on. The wire he used, even if it's not what we use, he didn't specify what it was. Like, you gotta say what wire you're using, and if you don't, it's open for interpretation. If you have a life hack you want us to, I don't even want to say debunk. What's the word? If you have a life hack you want us to try, leave it in the comments. If somebody wants to win this hot glue gun, actually that's a horrible idea. Bye. We could, oh thank you, I've always wanted a working hot glue gun. And the giveaway winner for the sweet hot dog sign is on the screen. No, it's not Alan Pan, but there's Alan Pan.
But I didn't win?
No, you didn't win. Okay, bye.